To sell on Zaman, start by creating an account on the platform. This involves providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, navigate to the seller section and click on Add a new product. Here, you will need to provide detailed information about the product you want to sell, including its name, description, price, and images. Make sure your product description is accurate and includes all the necessary details that a potential buyer would want to know. High-quality product images are also essential as they help to showcase your product and increase the chances of making a sale. After adding your product, set a competitive price by researching what similar products are selling for on the platform. You also need to set up your payment and shipping options. Zaman offers various payment options, so choose the one that works best for you. For shipping, you can either choose to handle it yourself or use Zaman's shipping services. To increase your chances of making a sale, optimize your product listing with relevant keywords that buyers might use when searching for products like yours. You can also promote your products on social media to reach a wider audience. Finally, provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to buyer inquiries and resolving any issues that may arise. This will help to build trust with your buyers and increase the chances of repeat business and positive reviews. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell on Zaman and grow your online business. Remember to always follow Zaman's policies and guidelines to avoid any issues with your account.